How to use ChatGPT like a pro. No coding skills needed. Hey everyone! Today, I'm revealing professional-level ChatGPT tips that anyone can use. No coding required. Whether you are a student, creator, or business owner, these tricks will help you unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Let us dive in. First up, always define a clear goal before you start. Are you brainstorming, writing an email, or analyzing data? Being specific helps ChatGPT deliver precise results. This ensures you are getting exactly what you want, no guesswork. Next, assign ChatGPT a persona, like act as a professional grant writer or explain like I am 10. Role-based prompting transforms how it responds. For complex tasks, ask it to think step by step. This chain of thought method leads to clearer, more accurate answers. You will get structured, logical breakdowns, not just a wall of text. Specify formats like tables, bullet points, or word count. For instance, give me 5 bullet points under 50 words each. This helps cut fluff. Clear formatting instructions help you get that polished output. Upload a sample or give examples, and ask ChatGPT. For more videos on tech, please like and subscribe to the channel.